Hey guys, welcome back to Olisa Digital Hub. My name is Ada Olisa. I'm the founder of Olisa Digital Hub. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you on how you can spy on your competitor using the Facebook ad tool called Facebook Ad Library. All you have to do is to go to facebook.com/ad/library. This tool is mostly used by the first-time advertisers who have no idea on what kind of creatives they want to use, how to write their ad copy, and where to send their destination link to. So they just need a guide. So this Facebook ad library actually serves as a guide for mostly first-time advertisers. So you scroll down a bit. Now that we've come to the ad library, scroll down a bit where you see search ads. You see the country. So if you have a location where you're trying to start your search from, if you know the country of where your competitor is in, you select your location. I'm in Nigeria and I feel my competition is in Nigeria, so I'm going to leave mine as Nigeria. Otherwise, you can actually hit the drop down arrow and try to select a location for yourself. I'm going to leave in mine as Nigeria, and I'm going to go to the ad category to select my ad category. I'm going to be selecting all ads because I really do not know where these ads could fall under, so I'm going to be selecting all ads. Then next, you want to search by keyword or by advertiser's name. I try to search with the advertiser's name, that's the name of the business on Facebook or Instagram. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Oraimo Mall NG. Okay, Oraimo Mall NG. So here it is, Oraimo Mall NG. You select it. I know they are not my competition because they're actually into gadgets for phones. I'm going to be using them as a for the purpose of this video, pardon me. So coming here, you see their likes on Facebook business page. That's how many people likes their page on Facebook. You can see 1,552 likes. You can see when the page was created, which is June 16, 2021. You can see they've changed their name just once, and you can see the 4 locations of the people that are managing this page. Scrolling down a bit, you see there are 23 ads that Oraimo Mall NG are currently running. Amazing, right? You scroll down a bit, you try to see the kind of ads they are running. And if you see here, you can see the platforms they are running these ads across. You can see they are running on Facebook, you can see they are running on Instagram, you can see they are running on the audience network, and you can see they are running on the Messenger platform. You scroll down a bit and try to see your ads. If you want to have an idea of better idea of what kind of ad they are running, click on see ad details, and it brings you here where you try to see the kind of creatives that they've used for this ad. Here you can see this one. This image actually fits the feed placements. Then this one fits the story placements, which I believe that's where they are running the ads on. So you try to see other creatives that they are using and try to make yours better than theirs if Oraimo Mall NG is a competition. Alright, so you scroll down also and try to see the CTA, which is the call to action button they are using, and also their destination link. You could click on it and try to know where this ad takes people to when they click on their link, so you try to do better than them. Alright, so it takes them to their websites. So with this now, you have an idea of what kind of ads your competitions are running. Alright, so let's search now with my brand name using Olisa Digital Hub. I'm currently not running any ad, but let's say you just want to check out and know what kind of ads I'm running or another person is running. You click on it. So if currently the person is not running any ads, you don't see any ads here. As you can see, there are no ads running. I'm not running any ads currently. So right now, I believe we all know how to use the Facebook Ads Library to check out what our competitions are doing and try to do better than them with the creatives and copy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you really like this video, you can hit the like button. You could subscribe as well. If you have questions, please send me a mail or leave it below in the comment section. Thank you.